Hello, this is Simon Lewis, and this is my web technology lab experiment number 6, JavaScript, timer functions and objects. So in the first experiment, we will be writing the JavaScript code to display the digital clock. So this is the code, source code for the digital clock. So here in the head, we have given the title and we have given the title as experiment 6. Inside the head tag, inside the body tag, we have used the h1 tag to display the digital clock in a larger font, and we have given the text align as center so that the digital clock it will be displayed in center. And inside the script tag, we create a function display of, and we create a new variable, new date of variable h to get the d.get hours of variable m, and variable s to get minutes and get seconds, and variable t will display the hour, minute and seconds accordingly. And we can get the by document.get element by id of time, we will get this function t, the variable t that is displayed here. So let us view the digital clock, the web page. So here is the digital clock. So this is the time. And the second question is write JavaScript code to change background color for every 30 seconds. So here we use the head tag, we have given the title as experiment 6, we close the head tag here and we open the body tag, we use the h1 tag to give the font dynamic background to be displayed as quite big, and inside the script tag we create a function bgcolor, and we are creating random colors using red, green and blue function. So by using this we get these three colors, red, blue and green, and variable color is created so that a mixture of all these colors will be displayed randomly. And we have set the interval as 200 milliseconds. So within 200, after every 200 milliseconds, the color will be changed. As we can see here, for every 200 milliseconds, the color keeps on changing. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is create event handlers that will increase the font size when a mouse moves over a paragraph and decrease the size when the mouse moves off the paragraph. So let us see the source code. So here we have the source code. Here we use the head tag. Inside the head tag we have the title tag, we have the same title experiment 6 with question 3, and now we have the body tag inside which the h1, the font is change font size. This will be displayed in very big, and we have used the paragraph tag. Inside we have given the id as parallel and on mouse over increase size of. So when we bring the mouse on this paragraph, this function increase the size of the font, and the decrease size of function will decrease the size of the font. So as we can see here, the function increase size of, this will increase the font size by 72 pixels, and the function decrease size of, this will decrease the font size to 52 pixels. So let us view the web page. Yeah, so this increases it to 72 pixels, and as I move the cursor it will reduce to 52 pixels. So let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is write JavaScript code to move absolutely position car image when a user clicks the move button and stop the car image when a user clicks the stop button. Let us see the code. Here's the source code, and we have the head tag, we have the title given as experiment 6, and inside the body tag we have the form. So inside the form we have given the source, image source, image ID, and the image height is 150 and the width is 150, and we have given paragraph. Inside the paragraph tag we have given the paragraph as click the start button to start animation. The input types are button for start and stop. On click we have used two functions here, the stop off function and the move right of function. As we can see here, function init of this is the initial function. So image object dot style left of equal to 0 pixels, and so this will be at the left end. It will start from the 0 pixel. The image will start from 0 pixels. Function move right of, so this is used image dot style dot left equal to pass int of image object dot style dot left plus 10 plus pixel. This will move the pixel to the right, to the right of every 10 pixels. The function stop off, this function will bring back the image to the position where it was in the beginning. So this was the fourth experiment. Let us view the web page. So when we click the start button, it moves. When we click the stop, it comes back. So let us go back to the fifth question, the last question. The last question is create an array of objects where each object describes about a student and his or her properties for the name, register number and year of birth. Iterate to the array of students and display it on the web page. For each student, print the student name and register number like so. Here the example is given. So we have to create an array of objects. Let us see the code. So this is the code. We use the head tag. Inside the head tag we have the title tag given as experiment 6, and inside the body tag we have the division tag, and the division tag we have displayed this: the book published before 1980s, the book published after 1980s, the ID is given as book and books. So here we create an array inside the script tag, the variable book equal to open authors. We have given the author name, we have given the book title, and we have the publisher, the book year in which the book was published. The same for these two. And here we iterate to an array by using the for loop, and here we use the if tag. And here we are given as if the book is published before 1980, then it will display the books that have been published before 1980. If the book is published after 1980, then it will display the books that is displayed after 1980, published after 1980. So let us see the page, the JavaScript code. So here we can see the book published before 1980, the book published after 1980s. So thank you. This was the lab experiment number 6 of Web Technology Lab.